Hey yo, welcome back. This is Ty Ty. Since we on the topic of Mcdsp, I'm gonna tell you my top 5. Let's go. Alright, starting with number 1, we got their multi-band, probably the one that people are most familiar with, but I absolutely love this thing. I wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. So I'm not doing anything too crazy with it. You know, I got my ranges set up here and just a little bit of compression off of each. And it really does just kind of control it. You know, if you got some harshness, you can really zip that out. And like a lot of people do with some multi-band, you know, certain frequencies that are just sticking out, you just go ahead and smash them down a little bit. Let's go ahead and see what we can do here. I wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. I know I'm wrong. I said, oh, I know I'm wrong. Fabulous plugin. So then moving on to number 2, I use this on every single individual track. I used to run the vocal writer from Waves, but this thing easily took the spot of that. Basically, it's a tape emulation. You got a little roll off here, and I mean, you can do different types of roll offs, different types of tape machines, but just listen to what it sounds like just with these settings driving into it. I wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. Let's gain stage that real quick. I wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. Alright, so I got a gain stage here real quick, pretty close. Let's hear the characteristics with and without. I wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. So it does, it makes it so much just richer, bolder, and I kind of use it as a vocal writer too. When you put in this auto gain, it just kind of brings everything up, but unlike the vocal writer, this has got some actual harmonics, some characteristics. It just really brings it to life. I like it. Alright, and then moving on to the next one, I have to have this plugin. I didn't know I needed it until I had it, and I gotta have it. I use it for like telephone effects, things like that. You know, you can use an EQ, but this just brings a little something different to the table. So listen to this outro. So you say you want to build, so you say 5 pills, say you're better off alone, don't need my thrills. It's been long. So you say you want to build, so you say 5 pills, say you're better off alone, don't need my thrills. It's been long. So what I got going on here is I have a mixture. I have the fuzz box, my analog channel, and then I'm also running a fuzz wall, but it all runs into a auto pan. So it's just kind of making it real vibey, nice little outro. Kind of walk it out here real quick. I know I'm wrong. So you say you want to build, so you say 5 pills, say you're better off alone, don't need my thrills. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Like,
and it's that simple. You know, you got your mix knob, give as much as you want, take as little as you want. Like, it's that simple. All right, so then moving on here to number 4, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this up into my parallel compression, and we'll go ahead and just dial this in. So this is their ultimate compressor. Basically, you have all these different compressors here, and it makes it easy just to say you're running it as parallel. You can go ahead and flip in between each one without bringing in different plugins, and you can get that flavor that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and dial this in real quick.
Wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. Wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad.
All right, so we got that dialed in. Let's go ahead and just kind of flip through. I'm just trying to make it basically like a brick, and then I'll feed that little bit of portion in with my leads.
Wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. I know I'm wrong. I said, oh, I know I'm wrong.
So I kind of like this one. What one was it? I think it was this one.
Wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been
All right, so I got my send up here at 0, and then I'm just gonna pull the fader down on this. Then I'm gonna push it back up to where it sounds good.
Wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. I know.
You see how that just pushes it right through the mix, just makes it pop, that brings that clarity. Gotta have it. All right, so then last but not least, we got the de-esser. This is a great de-esser. So let's go ahead and just dial it in.
Wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. I know I'm wrong. Wake up in the morning, my baby been calling. I see the bad bitch on the horizon. I've been known to tell her what she wants. I've been known to feed my baby drugs. We wake up in the morning, her heart's so cold. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. I know.
Let's sip tequila right there.
Sip tequila, son. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son. We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son.
That's definitely controlling that there. Let's see.
We wake up in the morning, sip tequila, son.
Definitely zip that S out right there. But yo, like I said last week with the APB, Mcdsp, bro, is one of the best plugins out there. I would say, in my humble opinion, as far as quality and customer service, UAD, Mcdsp, they neck and neck. I haven't found really any other companies that really compete with that. But as far as Mcdsp goes, they got the customer service that I ain't ever seen from any other company within the music industry. I really, really appreciate those guys. But yo, go check out some of these bundles. I have the Emerald bundle, and there's a lot of other plugins in there, but these is definitely my top 5 go-tos. So go ahead and hop over there, check them out. Like last week, this video ain't sponsored, but when there's a company that I respect, a company that I'm really liking, I gotta show them love. But this has been Ty Ty. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below, and I'm gonna catch y'all next week. Peace.